Hi guys, good afternoon. So, sorry for the background. Basically, I will get the YouTube channel starting soon. But here we go, just Friday morning. We got oil. And yeah, here we have Mr. Easy doing what he needs to do here on the block. We're busy with that one as well. As you can see here, we have everything out. Here we have our guy Vano, busy cleaning a block also. As you can see, crusty and dirty, but no time we will be having this thing clean, spanking new. That's just for the Friday morning, guys. Stay tuned as the YouTube channel will be up and running soon. However, follow for more eeziworx videos and insights. It's your guy eeziworx, Koga. That will be all for now. I'll see you guys later. Oh, just one more thing. See, there you go. Just blocks today.